What is this, Jack? Can you push the red button? You caused the collision. I guess we should teach you how to play it, but you just like this part, don't you? You want that one on there too? You like it? Yeah! 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 Pretty cool, huh? Can you say thank you to Aunt Sarah and CJ? Say thank you. Yeah. What a nice gift. We'll have to teach you how to play the game, huh? Right there.
Blowing.
Yeah. Are the duckies swimming? What are the duckies saying? Quack, quack, quack. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no, what happened?
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Yeah, they went tweet, 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 weren't they?
Push it button out.
Push it button loud, yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no. Alright.
Oh down.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Down. Let's go down.
That one keeps falling. There we go. Alright.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Bim, bum.
Yeah. Yeah. Jack, can you say bye-bye? Jack, say bye-bye. Can you say love you, Aunt Sarah? Jack, say love you, Aunt Sarah. Say love you, Aunt Sarah.
Push it down.
Yeah. You're way too into this game to even listen to me, huh?
Oh no.
Oh no, you made them all fall down. Okay, say bye-bye.
Oh no.
Yeah, you're not listening to me. Okay, bye-bye.